Okay, so here's the completed look. So I did my makeup. I feel good. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. I'm feeling like a brat style though today, like for reals. Just hold on. Look at my outfit. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing like this little crop top with some high-waisted shorts and my ducks, if you can kind of see them. So yeah, I'm feeling like straight up brat style, but kind of like it. Kind of feeling the look. But look what the fuck she did. Oh my god. Look, and she's driving. We're basically in San Diego, so yeah.
That looks disgusting.
Ew. Okay, so we're in San Diego. Well, we're at the rest stop, but this is my outfit. Y'all. And I put my hair in on a braid because it's all up in my face and stuff. And it's freaking hot here.
Don't hide it. Feeling me, you don't gotta deny it. Baby, you gon' make me overnight it. Tell me how you down.
So we are here in San Diego and we're gonna cross the border by walking. So
It's hot.
it's hot as shit, dude. Like hella hot.
Like 90 degrees.
So I'm a little scared. I've never done this before. Have you?
Never.
Oh god. 2 girls crossing the border by themselves.
Psych, I've done it a million times.
Oh shit. This bitch. Oh shit, here we come, Mexico. Dang, why does it look so scary? Let's go, let's get it. Stop is getting fresh fruit. I'm gonna get papaya, watermelon, and pineapple. Yes. So this is what I ended up getting, and now we are on an Uber headed to her dentist appointment. So let's get it. Have a honky-ish. We're going to her dentist appointment. We went to this other office, and now we're going to a different office. Damn. They ain't playing here. So she just got done with the dentist, and now we're gonna go eat something because I'm starving, like Marvin. Let me show you guys what I'm staring at. So this kind of cool. It just looks like
el IRS requiere que todas las personas reclamen impuestos todos los años, pero es difícil cuando se tiene que devolver dinero inesperado, aunque nunca has reclamado impuestos.
Oh dang, we're gonna go uphill right now. That guy running is freaking hot. It's wild.
¿Dónde son las colonias más ricas?
This is what the outside looks like. This is, I forgot what colonia we're in, but yeah. So currently at a restaurant getting our food because I am starving and I don't want to pull out my camera. That's why I have an ugly ass angle. So sorry if you can see my double chin. Well, you can see my double chin all the time, so I don't care. Okay, bye. Across the border, we're already like in San Diego, and this girl's is pumping the milk because her boobs are hella big right now. So yeah, so sneak peek.
And driving. Ooh.
And driving, yeah.
Badass mom.
Fucking badass.
After surgery too.
Oh, yeah. Oh, gracias a Dios, we are home. Thank the Lord. So the reason why we ended up going to Tijuana was because my auntie needed to get surgery for her teeth and stuff. So that's why we went out there. So it was cool. It was fucking hot as shit. Like hella hot. Anyways, but the dentist place was very clean, very like professional, very like it was like very fancy. It was weird. But of course there was like some things that I was like not used to. Like in the room that she was in, it was like, so her chair is like right here, and then another chair was over here with another patient. So that was a little weird. I thought that was so weird. Anyways, yeah, so I'm just glad I'm home because tomorrow I'm gonna have like a long day and it's gonna be so much fun. I'm gonna go hiking in the morning, then we're gonna do paddle boarding, and then we might go out to be little putitas. So stay tuned, guys. So good morning, guys. Today is Saturday morning and ya tengo despierta desde las 6, but I didn't get up until like 7. Anyways, I'm just getting ready because I'm gonna go hiking. Yes, I took a shower. Like I was sweaty as fuck yesterday. Like I didn't feel fresh and I want to feel like a little fresh. So right now I'm just putting my eye cream. Eye focus, whatever. Anyways, I'm putting my eye cream. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I do when I don't wear makeup. I literally just do this. Okay, then I do my moisturizer. I have a big one of these ones. This one's just my travel one, but I wanted to finish this one first. Just cause, you know, why not? And then I can just refill this one. Cause that one's kind of big. Yep. I'm actually really excited. I haven't gone on this hike in like a while. And it's like, if we go through like the intense part or like the tough part, we're gonna be like, at least I'm gonna be out of breath. What's wrong with me today? Or all the time. Sometimes I feel like I don't know how to talk because I be saying some random shit. Of course, keep your lips moisturized. And I use this. I really love this. Actually, like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this sunscreen that I love. It's so cool. It's so lightweight. I feel like it just makes me look so youthful. Like, damn. And like, I got baby skin and shit. And then I'll probably reapply this before I leave too. Just cause, you know, I love sunscreen. So that's my morning routine when I don't wear makeup. Keep it nice and fresh. Keep the skin nice and moisturized. Dang, I look like extra shiny, but my skin feels good. Okay, anyways, I'll see you guys later. Probably on the hike now because I gotta get ready. So, bye guys. We are currently on our hike and this chica is taking pictures. I didn't record the beginning, but this is it. It was all foggy at the beginning and now it's getting sunny. It's getting hella hot. And we still need to get like, where's the fucking rock? Like somewhere up there. Shake it, girl, shake it. Damn. Dang. We are finally at the top and this is how it looks. That's all slow. We were supposed to go on top of that, but we didn't. And there's breezy. Okay, we just got done hiking all the way to the top of that. And we're gonna go to Sprouts?
Entire Sprouts and then paddle.
Oh, it's gonna be so much fun. Let's see the 99-cent store to see if we can find some snacks.
Good snacks.
And I have like food in my mouth. Yeah, and then we're gonna go paddleboarding after. No, we're gonna go to Sprouts.
Sprouts for food.
Yeah.
And have an early lunch.
Yeah. So we're out here paddleboarding, and Breezy is all the way over there. I'm over here. Dude, we are. And this is so fucking nice and relaxing. I was trying to stand up, but it was so wobbly, so I went back on my knees. So yeah. Okay, I need to catch up to Bree because she's gonna leave my ass over here. What song is that? Ooh. Oh my god. Get away from me! Hella bumping into her. Fuck. Almost a rose microphone.
My feet fucking hurt.
Dude, my legs hurt.
My hamsters. I got these big old flat tortas for feet.
Seriously. Oh, my thighs are burning. Twerk, 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 twerk. Y'all don't understand how much skills that takes. Hella balance. Club and this girl got us into the club. $5 for 3 girls. Cause she was like, hell no, I can pay $5.
I was like, how much is coming? He's like, $5 each. And I was like, fine. And then he's all, actually, I can do 5 for all 3 of you. And I was like, okay, fine. Forgot to pay, but fine.
Oh my god, that was legit highlight of the night.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think it's all angels just walk by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
Okay, so hi guys, it's Saturday night and we're gonna go be putitas. So this is the look. This is the look. Straight hair, like natural makeup or whatever. I'm wearing this like top. I'm gonna put lip covers on. My bad, sorry. And then as you can see, like I'm wearing some blue shorts and my ducks. So that's the look for today. This is what I'm wearing. Just this like loose shirt kinda. It's tight on the waist. And then these like blue shorts, giving me a camel toe, my bad. Levi's that I cut up, I bought at the thrift store. yeah, and then some ducks. So yeah. So I am back from the club. I had so much fun. I felt so good. Like, and I didn't even drink. So that was hella fun. I was shaking my ass all night long, and we danced like EDM, hip hop. And they even played like J Balvin and shit. That was lit. I was like, but yeah. Anyways, I had way too much energy. I need to go to sleep. So see you guys tomorrow. I'm probably gonna go to the gym in the morning or something. I'm not sure. So yeah, bye. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday, and I am headed to the gym because it's been like, let me see. Oh, 3 days. Oh no, 2 days since I haven't gone to the gym. So my ass needs to go back. So that's where I'm going. I'm probably not gonna record just because it's the same shit I do. I do it, I just repeat it, and I do more sets or put more weight on it. So I don't want to bore you guys with it. So bye, guys.
Okay, we're going back to my house now. After a nice nap. After being at Evelyn's house and taking a nap. So yeah.
We're gonna go eat mole and just chill and hang out with the family. Have an awesome day. Currently eating Mia's hand. Why? What's going on?
Dude, this smells so good.
Sick fool. Oh, he's still going. It's going strong. And then the mom's over here doing homework and shit. Oh, you want to talk?
Smells so good. You like this? Yum, yum, yum.
Scare your own child. And then we got another baby over here being fed. Aquí está one mother and her kid. Y aquí está la otra. Aww.
So dirty diaper. 30 minutes. I went to sleep. Like, what do you think is fine?
I got 3 cousins. I'm 3 cousins and their babies. Down the stairs.
Alright, drop.